So I do most of my audio recording right here in my garage on this Zoom ZDM-1 microphone. And up until now, I've had the mic on this desk stand, which has worked out well, but I wanted to try something that was a little different, something that would get it off the workbench and out of my way when I'm not using it. So I thought I'd try this, a heavy-duty suspension microphone arm stand from InnoGear. So let's open it up and see what we get. So we've got a pop filter, which should help with those P's and B's and D's and G's. A little user manual. And the adjustable mic/boom arm itself. It has a maximum reach of 28 inches horizontally and 27 vertically. It's also made out of steel and can bear a maximum weight of 3.5 pounds. Feels pretty solid. Let's see, we've got some cable ties. A mic clip. A couple of screw adapters, which are really appreciated. A windscreen. And the mounting clamp for your desk. So let's give this mic arm a closer look. It feels solid. It's actually pretty stiff, taking more force than you would think to just open it up and adjust it. And that's actually the opposite of what I'm used to, since all my past mic arms were on the flimsy/cheapy side. They're more like glorified swing arm desk lamps, that kind of thing. So we'll add my old Zoom microphone to the new stand. And now let's add the clamp to the workbench. In goes the mic arm. Let's do some quick tests just to make sure it doesn't hit anything. And here it is, all set up. I really like the look of this. The design is really clean and it feels rock solid. The Velcro ties help a lot in maintaining that clean look because they hide the mic's XLR cable really well. So I've got the mic plugged into my old Focusrite 2i2, and that in turn is connected to my MacBook Pro 14. So all in all, I'm liking this arm a lot. Some quick pros and cons. For pros, I would say it's solid. At around $40, it's not too expensive, and they give you a lot for the money. You get the swing arm itself, you get the pop filter, the gooseneck, the adapters, the Velcro ties. So it's a pretty good deal. As far as cons, I think the main con is it's just really stiff to adjust. To adjust, I need to use two hands just to get it where I want it. So it's not one of those swing arms where you can just nudge it with a finger here and there and it gets into place. It's not like that at all. But for my needs, I think it was a good deal. And I'm glad I got it. So if you like this video, I've got more. So check them out if you got a minute. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.